Experiencing Android 14 on the Sylvox 27-inch rolling smart TV with touchscreen feels like merging the freedom of a tablet, the power of a smart display, and the elegance of a TV into one seamless, ultra-responsive interface, where smooth navigation, crisp visuals, and intuitive touch controls turn everyday entertainment, creativity, and connectivity into an effortlessly immersive experience. The user interface is clean, responsive, and well optimized for the vertical and horizontal orientations this display supports. Navigating through menus, launching apps, and switching between entertainment and productivity feels smooth and natural, thanks to the responsive 10-point touch layer. The home screen is minimalist yet practical, featuring a large digital clock, weather widget, and quick Google search bar, perfect for casual browsing or smart home control. The app drawer gives you full access to familiar Android apps.